Geometry Semester Review Part 3. Of course, on any problem involving distance, we can look up the distance formula, but we remember the distance as the positive square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB if A is this and B is that. What do? Well, first we draw a picture. A is -9, -4. B is 5, -2. By all means, use graph paper, use graph paper, use graph paper. What is the midpoint formula? Which is not the only way to do this problem. The midpoint formula tells us that the coordinates will be the average of the x coordinates and the average of the y coordinates. So our midpoint is going to be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is going to be our midpoint. Those are going to be our coordinates. So, what do we have? -9 plus 5 divided by 2. That's our x-coordinate. Our y-coordinate will be -4 plus -2 over 2. So that our answer is going to be -9 plus 5, -4 over 2, -2. -4 minus 2, -6 divided by 2, -3. Does that make sense when we graph it? Well, yes it does. Try it for yourself and see. 9 and 5 is 14. The average divided by 2 is 7. 5 minus 7 gives us -2. Halfway between -4 and -2 is in fact -3. Okay. 19. M is the midpoint of AB. If A is 6, 7 and M is 10, 13, find the coordinate of B. Ladies and gentlemen, first we draw a picture. M is the midpoint of AB. So, how is this going to look? M is the midpoint of B. A is 6, 7. So if A is 6, 7, and that may make it easier. A is 6, 7, and M is 10, 13. Find the coordinate of B. Well, there's several ways to do this one. From here to here is up 6 and over 4. So we could just go up 6 and over 4 again, and that would do it. Although there are ways to make a mistake with that. So let's be very careful. Here to here is plus 6. So 6 more would be 19. Do you see how we're doing this? 7 plus 6 is 13. Plus 6 is 19. That will be our y coordinate. 6 to 10 is 4. Add 4 more. 10 plus 4 is 14. If you have a question, please email me, text me, call me, whatever. Okay, let's do one more. Find the slope of the line containing the points A and B. What do we do? Well, first we draw a picture. -4, 11. -4, 11 is right here. My other point is going to be 2, -9, right there. I want the slope of the line. I can either count down and then over and finally simplify, or I can use the formula. Let's see. Here to here is 11. Here to here is 9 more, so that's -20. +6. -20 over +6 is the same as -10 over 3. Do not give me a decimal. Do not give me a decimal. Do not give me a decimal. Okay, let's check this with the formula for slope. Slope is equal to change in y over change in x. And that's the same as -9 minus 11 over 2 minus -4. -9 minus 11 is -20. 2 minus -4 is the same as 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. -20 over 6. It's still the same as -10 over 3. That is our slope. We're bad, so bad, we got this long problem, and we did it well.